Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day I share a new recipe with you. Today's recipe is from HelloFresh. I love HelloFresh. And this is their roasted veggie farro bowls. They're so good. So you get a really nice recipe card which shows pictures of different steps. Everything in the bag is individually labeled. You might notice I'm getting like 2 bags of the same stuff. I did get a 4-person meal this time. I switch it up sometimes and, make dinner for my parents, so I'll get like the bigger portion. You can control how often you want it. You can skip weeks if you want. It's very flexible and I love it. I think the best part is you get to keep the recipe, and a lot of times, I would say 95% of the times, it's just normal ingredients you could find at the store. It's not like weird seasonings or anything like that. So the first thing I'm doing is getting the farro. I don't know if it's farro or farro, so sorry if I'm saying that wrong, but I'm going to put that to cook because that takes a while. I cooked it for about 25 minutes. Added some veggie stock to it. I also preheated my oven because we're also going to roast the veggies. So I have some sweet potatoes and some onions. I'm going to add a drizzle of olive oil. Every single step of the process for HelloFresh, you season everything with salt and pepper. So I'm adding that. And then I'm going to add in some chili powder. I'm going to toss that together really well and roast that for about 20 to 25 minutes at 425 in the oven. And then when the first 2 things are cooking, since they take the longest, then you can move to assembling the salad and making the dressing. So in a bowl, I'm adding some sugar and some lemon juice. I also zested the lemon and set that aside as well, the lemon zest. And then I'm going to give that a good mix and then add in some cranberries, and you're going to let those marinate for at least 15 minutes. Next, we're going to make the rest of the dressing. After that has marinated, we're going to strain out that juice that the cranberries is in. Did my best to strain it, but of course lots of some cranberries in there. Then I'm also going to add in a tablespoon of olive oil and some salt and pepper. And gave that a mix. And then by that time, the veggies and the farro was done cooking. So it says to add some butter to it, half of the roasted veggies and half of the dressing, and then to season that with salt and pepper. Then I will mix that together until it's just combined. And then I could skip back to my salad. I'm adding my arugula, and again I have 2 bags with this one, so it's making pretty much salad. Then I could add the marinated cranberries back to it. And some more salt and pepper. And the rest of the dressing as well, which there wasn't too much. Then you could add the rest of the veggies in with the salad and give that a mix. and then you just plate everything. So there's a little bit of veggies mixed in with the farro and some mixed in with the salad, and you just add it together. Then we have a couple toppings to add. We have some lemon zest to sprinkle on top. And some Parmesan cheese. And there's these little seeds. I don't know how to pronounce this either. Is it pepitas? Pepitias? I don't know how to say it. Typically not anything I would ever put on my food, but it's good. It adds a little bit of crunch to it. So that was my recipe. Absolutely delicious. I've been ordering from HelloFresh for years. If you guys are interested, I will have a code that will save you some money off your first box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.